Stop. What if I told you the insurance company is watching your Instagram right now, just waiting for you to post one specific photo that could cost you thousands, if not hundreds of thousands? Are you accidentally sabotaging your own case? Insurance companies are watching you. They're actively following your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook. They're trying to find anything they can to discredit your case or minimize the value of your case. Even if you're private, they have tactics. They have ways to see some of your posts or see what you're doing in your everyday life. Old accounts maybe, posts, pictures, videos that you were tagged in by other friends. They look at you through your friends' accounts. They have different ways of doing it. So just know that the insurance company is always watching you throughout your injury case. Even innocent posts can and probably will be twisted against you. Pictures of you smiling with friends, pictures of you on vacation, pictures of you at the gym. It doesn't matter. You could be at the gym doing your physical therapy exercises that the doctors told you to do for your injuries. The insurance companies will try to take that. They'll take that picture, a picture of you at the gym, a video of you at the gym, find that one moment where you could be lifting something where you don't look like you're in pain or discomfort. They'll use that and twist it against you. Your credibility in your injury case is everything. So if they see any inconsistencies in your case, so for example, you tell the doctors one thing, or you tell the insurance companies you're so injured you can't even go grocery shopping. But hey, we all have to grocery shop, and there is a video, or the insurance company tracks you down and shows you holding one bag of groceries. Well, this is only one bag, it's a light bag. No, you said you can't go grocery shopping. That goes to your credibility. So even the slightest inconsistency in what you're saying goes against your credibility, and that could hurt your injury case. Even going back and deleting prior posts can hurt your case. Again, that goes to credibility. They may have already taken a screenshot of a post you put up or a post they saw, and if you go delete it, they may question that. It may seem like you're hiding something. Why did you delete this, or why did you delete these posts? So you also want to be careful about deleting posts that you already put up because you don't want them to see it. Here's what you should do instead. Go silent on social media during your case. I know it may be a little difficult, I know it may be burdensome, but it could save your case. It's only for the duration of the case. You could come back to it later. Set your profile to private if you haven't already. Now, don't rely on that. Insurance companies do have ways of accessing content on private accounts, but it's a start. Tell your friends and family not to post you, or just be aware and be careful what your friends and family post of you, because that's one way they could see pictures or videos of you is through tagged posts. And lastly, if you're unsure about anything, talk to your attorney before posting anything, and your attorney could give you advice. Remember, the courtroom isn't the only place your case is won or lost. Be careful what you put on the internet because it's accessed by everybody.